Hello everyone, this is Stacy from Stacy Rabbit Jewelry. I am here today to showcase the March Findings box from GR8BEADS at the Bead Obsession. Their findings boxes are full of fun charms, clasps, and spacer beads. Let me show you what we've got for March. First up is this really cool compass pendant. It's a good size pendant in antique silver. It's 33 by 25 and it is really very eye-catching. One of my favorite pieces from the box, because I like bees and run the Queen Bee half marathon every year here in Cincinnati, is this hammered Queen Bee charm. It is 43 by 29. It's antique silver with some gold bee accents on it. And it's really a beautiful charm, and it's good size too. Next, I wanted to share this big, huge, silky tassel in espresso brown. It's made out of nylon, and this would be great on a necklace. There are also these gold-plated brass connector charms, and they're in this smoky topaz. You get a bunch of them, and they actually would look beautiful with this tassel. The box also comes with this antique silver bail connector tube. It's got a really big hole, so it'd be super versatile. You could put this on leather, sari silk, all kinds of really cool different media. And then I really liked this 18 karat gold plated stainless steel sunray pendant. This to me just has some really cool Southwest vibes to it. It's really a very pretty and solid piece. The box also comes with this cute antique silver plated brass ancient coin charm, and it's actually patterned on both the front and the back. You also get a lot of these dangle charms. These are 6mm silver stardust charms, and these would be really cool on earrings or as some accents on a necklace as well. This box has lots of bees, so if you are a bee lover, this is the box for you. These are two 25 by 21 antique silver and gold bee charms. And I love kind of the hammer texture in the background. It gives them a little bit extra oomph. And I've got to show you these closer up because these are gorgeous. These are two-tone blue aqua faceted teardrop pendants. And these will be becoming a pair of earrings that I will be keeping for myself. They are the same on both sides too, which is great. So they do not have a front and the back, but I love the ombre look to these. Next up are some of these black teardrop pendants, and these are very pretty for both earrings or as a charm on a necklace. And they are silver plated, and they're really the same on both sides and very nice little pendants. You also get some of these big chunky spacer beads in antique silver. These are 9 by 10mm, and they are very solid. They're kind of have this like corrugated look to them that's kind of unique, and a very pretty spacer bead. Thank you for joining me as I unboxed the March Findings box from the Bead Obsession. These findings boxes are filled with all kinds of fun goodies to help you make gorgeous different pieces with your bead collection. Stay tuned. I will be sharing some creations from this box on my Instagram channel.